One of the main reasons that I love to work with hand tools is I just love all the history behind it. Craftsmanship that was created, the generations prior to myself, when, they didn't have all the crazy modern tools that we have today that's so precise and so easy. I just really love the tradition behind it, I guess. I guess that's the main reason that I really like to use hand tools. I find it really soothing in a lot of ways, actually.
Scotty is a craftsman. Been watching him for almost a year. I've seen Scotty walking with his cart at a big bundle of wood down to particular boats where he fits everything and takes the wood down, fits it, brings it back, makes it just right. Next thing you know, he's taking it back down to a boat, putting it on,